Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Quick Ed Technology. I am Vaibhav and I'm super excited to have you join me on this amazing journey. If you're passionate about technology and eager to learn, you are in the right place. On this journey, we will dive into a variety of tech topics that are essential for anyone in the field, from mastering data structure and algorithms to becoming proficient in programming languages like Python and Java, and also exploring the intricate world of computer networks and digital forensics. But that's not all. We also tackle MySQL for database management and examine software engineering principles to help you build robust and efficient software. Whether you are a student, professional, or just someone with a keen interest in technology, there is something here for you. Each video will be packed with clear explanations, practical examples, and tips to help you grasp these concepts quickly and effectively. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends who are as passionate about technology as you are. Thank you so much for joining me on Quick Ed Technology. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Let's make learning fun and easy together. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.